Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Sign into the Google account you want tied to a Google Voice number because verification locks to that account. Once done, open Voice. Google, calm or install the app on your phone. Make sure your device grants microphone permissions, otherwise calling or recording in video won't work. Next, request a number. Search by city or area code and pick one. Confirm verification with the linked phone when prompted and save that choice so your number is active and ready for the next steps. Once your number is active, you configure how voice interacts with your devices. You'll link forwarding phones and the desktop client so incoming calls can ring where you're recording video. Make sure to set a clear voicemail greeting and enable transcription if you want searchable text. Also, enable call screening only if you need it. Screening can interrupt live video takes. Finally, test notifications and do not disturb toggles, so calls won't unexpectedly pause or mute during recording sessions. To capture Google Voice audio in a video, decide the routing. Either place the phone next to a microphone for a quick setup or route audio internally using a virtual audio cable or audio interface for cleaner sound. Start the call, monitor levels, and record locally in your video software. When done, stop the call and save the file. If recording fails, fall back to exporting voicemail or call recording and sync it in post. Troubleshooting tip. If audio isn't heard, verify microphone permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.